Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to fix this value cannot be null parameter name value. So let's look at it, how to fix it. I've been working for it for the whole morning and I didn't know how to do it, and then I watched some of the video online in YouTube, and this is what I found. So here we're gonna go find that three dots in the top of your Chrome website, and then hover to the history and get over here, from here to here, and then click the history, and then click the clear browsing data and click the advanced, and then you can click here. I just click 1 2 3. You can rate it, you can try a little bit at a time if you want to. So I click like 5, that one, and then that the last one. I don't know if that's enough or I'll come back later. Well, we'll just try this for now. We always can come back here and redo it. So I click okay, see if that be enough or just can't decide. Okay, just click that back, click it, and then click the clear data, and then close it, and then hit the refresh. Not yet, not the BAM crypto. Click the BAM crypto and then click the refresh. So then we'll wait, and here connect wallet. I'm already signed into my MetaMask, so just connect it and then wait 100%, and here we go, it worked. So if that doesn't work, you can do it again and click different things in there in the history, whatever you'd like to clear the data. So I will let them all work. I only have 4 big hero for now, and I only have 1 rare, so it's very small, but I'll just keep playing on it until if I get decide to get more. And sometimes if you click here in your chest, it's empty, but I have something there, I have a little thing there, so all you have to do is just close it and then click it again, and here it is. I have 3.94 Bitcoin for now, and I'm gonna make more video later when I get to 3 weeks or a month, see how much. I'll show you how much I make. So bye for now, we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.